Hello, my name is John Carlos Silva Ruiz. I live in San Pedro Urabá City. I am a school principal and you are the school Arenas Monas. I am married and had two sons. I like travel. What movies? The effects of technology on the environment. In the last decades had experienced a great technology advance has changed the lifestyle. With relation to negative impact, we can highlight the increase of the waste, the discriminating exploitation of mineral resources, generating dry pollution and fame of trees. Would these advances have allowed the investigation of new sources energy, less pollution, better medical treatment, the establishment of consumer society, cause the increase of the factories and mineral exploitation, contribution of the increase of pollution gas, this affecting the balanced ecosystem. This advanced technology had caused contamination for reactive material that are not properly discarded, what in it leads in some regions of the scarcity of natural resources as vital water. According various scientific studies, if we continue with the trend of consumers and do not recycle or watch, the planet will be impossible danger. Sign we are to degrees of irreversible point for water global, with cause change in the global climate as what if it does not change the dynamics of extraction mineral materials, environmental that will destroy ecosystem. The only way of combating in the crisis of these two degrees is its reduction of the environmental pollution. For the action is necessary to establish politics of economic increases that encourage the use of clean energies. Some die it regulation of the exploitation of mineral resources for prevent the degradation of the land and extreme poverty in the country in the volunteer. If people do not change our habitats and current frames continue increasing the scarcity consumer with recycling, the extinction of life is inevitable. Happy day. Bye.